failed him many times. I only have myself to blame. I bowed my head and cried. Where is Jesus? Did you leave him far behind? Did you take for granted he was here, walking with us all the time? Where is Jesus? To find him once again, I must return to the place where I left him. Where is Jesus? Where is Jesus? You made some bad decisions with a selfish thought in mind. You had the best intentions for the goal you set in life. Your relationship with God secure, but the fellowship is gone. You can choose to walk with him again. You don't have to walk alone. Where is Jesus? Did you leave him far behind? Did you take for granted he was here, walking with us all the time? Where is Jesus? To find him once again, you must return to the place where you left him. Where is Jesus? Where is Jesus? Where is Jesus?
Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood sa aking mga video. Huwag kalimutan mag-like, share at i-follow ang aking FB page, Dong Alviso Lastima, at mag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, Dong Lastima, at huwag kalimutan pindutin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa aking mga bagong video. Bye bye, God bless.